Have you been starting to hear the sleigh bells jingle? There are exciting things coming up as the New West Symphony launches its inaugural holiday season kickoff concert we're calling Tales of Winter. I am both pleased and proud to present a new holiday masterwork by Pauline Frechette, one of the most creative composers in the world today. Her Tales of Winter features the New West Symphony and California Contemporary Ballet, a perfect match for the occasion. To keep our spirits bright, Southern California's hysterical comedian and impressionist Jim Meskimen will serve as our special guest host. To help bring in the spirit of the season just before the Tales of Winter performance, I would like to invite you to join us for our first annual Winterfest, a reception and dinner held at Thousand Oaks Civic Arts Plaza. This year, we will be honoring two couples who have done so much for the New West Symphony, Pat and Harry Kroner and Marilyn and Stan Sutton. They have helped us create meaningful relationships with so many of you in the community through their years of dedication and hours of volunteering. I hope you will join us for New West Symphony's holiday season kickoff, and that it becomes a treasured tradition for you and your family. Just call our box office or visit us online, and let me be the first to wish you happy holidays.